Welcome back to another video. Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Here you see the error. Boot MGR image is corrupt. The system cannot boot. This error occurs when installing Windows. If this error arises, we will see how to solve it. When this error shows up, users think that it is a problem with the system files. Many people think that the problem is with the bootable pen drive that is providing Windows. This reasons for the error is that there is a system file problem. Since the problem is from the pen drive, they try to solve this problem with the pen drive, but I will show something else. I hope you will watch it from beginning to end. If the error occurs during Windows installation, we will open the back part from the computer. And here you see 2 RAM. You will remove every RAM and clean that and install again. After that, you will try. This error comes from RAM, so you will clean the RAM and install again. And if the problem not solved, you will replace the RAM. Here you see this error will not come again. This error have fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.